Well, it complements, and it looks like we're on the same trail here. We have the same objective, trying to use biotechnology, especially the newest technology, not because of the technology itself, but because it gives us opportunities that were not possible, 10 years ago. So even solving environmental problems like the plastic, but also understanding how nature works. It's here in this environment where there are, the extreme depths of the ocean plus the extreme desert. It's very, very interesting that it's possible to maybe find completely new, for example, microbes, and they produce enzymes, and also to kind of understand how biological life, from a fundamental point of view, actually survives in this environment. But the key point is for, using, that's the word in biotechnology, that means that you're using the technology for, societal benefits. Everything from, curing of disease, but mainly in the climate, mainly avoiding use of oil, which is, no matter how you put it, it is running out, and it's not good for the climate. So everything is, very interesting to come from, a flight of 15 hours and then find that it's the same spirit. So I'm very impressed by the spirit here, and the number of, talented young people. That's incredible.